So guys, we tried to do a live video since I was at the farm today, and network said I have other plans, so we are doing a video recording instead. So these are my hybrid fishes, and for this particular fund I intend to carry them up to 1-2 kg ish. Ouch. So we still have a long way to go, a very long way to go. I think one of the things I love about rainy season is the fact that my water is clear, well oxygenated and all that. Although I should still do a water testing to check the oxygen level.